In today's video, we're going to talk about the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial. Rumor has it, Johnny Depp was abused even by his mother. Is it really true? Did he actually get abused by his mother and his wife?
This is not life. This is not life.
That said, now come, let's take a look. The trial, which is still ongoing in Virginia, is attempting to determine whether Heard defamed Depp in a 2018 Washington Post essay, in which she accused the actor of domestic abuse. Depp has always disputed Heard's accusations, and he is demanding at least $50 million in compensatory damages and at least $350,000 in punitive damages, as well as attorney's fees and court costs. Depp and Heard met on the production of the Rum Diary in 2009. They began dating in 2012, were engaged in 2014, and married the following year. Heard filed for divorce in 2016, and the divorce was completed in 2017. Then, in 2018, when writing for the Washington Post about being a survivor of domestic abuse, Heard revealed a number of alarming charges against Depp. Depp's lawyer, Benjamin Chu, claimed it was evident that Heard was referring to the actor despite the fact that she never addressed him by name. Depp continued to testify that his previous wife had instead subjected him to continuous physical assault. He also accused Heard of bullying himself and others, according to him. There was a lot of name-calling, and there was a lot of verbal abuse, Depp claimed. Bullying, making light of any flaw someone could have. My brother wore spectacles, therefore he was naturally referred to as Four Eyes. Attorneys for Heard accused Depp of becoming a monster while consuming drugs and booze during opening comments in the defamation trial. Depp was regarded as paranoid and delusional. Strange conspiracy around Amber Heard lawyer. Some TikTok fans believe Heard's lawyer, Elaine Bredehoft, is a hidden supporter of the Pirates of the Caribbean actor, after seeing someone who looked a lot like her waiting outside of a Depp event in 2013, hoping to catch a sight of the Hollywood leading man. In a YouTube video shot at the Lone Ranger premiere in London, England, on July 20th, 2013, a lady with short brown hair, similar to Elaine's, could be seen enthusiastically waiting behind a barricade with a camera in hand as Depp made his way to the red carpet. Many people on the internet believe the adoring fan is really Bredehoft, who is now a member of Heard's legal team in the wake of her and Depp's $100 million defamation lawsuit. Amber's lawyer is a Depp fan, one user noted on TikTok, as the well-known TikTok sound that reads, "Oh my gosh, who is that?" played in the background.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that?
The video rapidly went viral, garnering more than 11 million views in only a few days, and many people were taken aback by the woman's striking likeness to Bredehoft, although it's unclear whether the lady in question is truly Heard's lawyer. She definitely chose the job only to watch him all day, one user remarked in the popular video's comments section. What if she's performing awful on purpose to help Johnny win, and she truly likes him, speculated another. I'm confident she became a lawyer to see him, someone said. Even Amber's crew is on Johnny's side, another commenter wrote. Johnny Depp's rumors about his rage. First, Depp was accused of hitting the American actress 3 times after she laughed at his famed "Wino Forever" tattoo, and of beating her in a cocaine and alcohol-fueled rage over suspicions that she cheated on him with James Franco. But now, some 7 years after Depp and Heard married, he claims in court that it was Heard who got aggressive when their relationship fell apart. Ironic, isn't it? It's funny how anyone can fall so low that he has the audacity to abuse her own partner.
I thought maybe I could help her. I thought maybe I could bring her around. Because the Amber Heard that I knew for the first year and a half was not this suddenly this opponent. It wasn't my girl, she had become my opponent.
Conspiracies about Johnny Depp's middle finger. He also claimed that Heard threw a bottle of vodka at him during an altercation after he requested her to sign a prenuptial agreement, which led to the amputation of his middle finger. Do you think this was the only reason why his finger was amputated? Or are there any other layers of truth which are yet to unfold? Debbie Lloyd, Depp's personal nurse, told the court that she had heard several reports about what occurred to his finger from different persons, adding, "I've heard that Amber threw a bottle of vodka at Johnny. He smacked it with a phone, according to what I've heard. Dr. David Kipper, Depp's personal physician, testified in his deposition that Depp informed him he'd chopped off his own fingertip with a knife, and that Depp also told the emergency department doctor at the time. Dr. Kipper also claimed that a chef discovered Depp's severed fingertip in Depp's kitchen and that he'd personally spotted shattered glass in the kitchen and blood about the property, but that he didn't notice any injuries on Heard at the time. If you get to know what happened next, you'd be disgusted. Stay tuned. Amber Heard's clinical diagnosis. Johnny Depp also accused her of smearing human feces on his side of their shared bed. Dr. Shannon Curry, a clinical and forensic psychologist who was called to the stand by Depp's legal team on Tuesday, told the court that she concluded Heard had traits that were consistent with borderline personality disorder, BPD, and histrionic personality disorder, HPD, two disorders that are associated with emotional instability and attention-seeking behavior.
The results of Ms. Heard's evaluation supported two diagnoses: borderline personality disorder and histrionic personality disorder.
Some theories also suggest that she was suffering from sadistic personality disorder, which might be true, as she used to abuse Depp and had no guilt. Curry indicated that throughout her investigation, she looked at a variety of case files, including Heard's medical records, mental health treatment records, court exhibits, witness testimony, and audio and video recordings. She also spent many hours with the Aquaman star on two separate occasions before obtaining a diagnosis. She came to the conclusion that Heard grossly inflated her post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, when her relationship with Depp ended. There was speculation that Heard was faking her PTSD in order to seek more attention and affirmation from the public and the media. Amber Heard's lawyer strategy. Heard's lawyers have contended that she stated the truth in her article and that her viewpoint was protected as free speech under the First Amendment of the United States Constitution. Heard is suing Depp for $100 million, alleging that his legal team unjustly accused her of manufacturing the charges against her ex. You'll hear in the most vivid and horrible terms about the brutality that she endured, Heard's attorney Ben Rottenborn said in his opening statement to the court. Depp's spokesperson has categorically disputed the claims. This follows a pattern of her intricate, false allegations that have continued to develop and expand over time for the purpose of Hollywood shock value, which Amber has perfected and exploited a major societal movement, the rep said in his statement to News. Johnny Depp's addiction conspiracy. Christy Dombrowski, Depp's older sister and personal manager, originally testified in April 2022, saying she didn't believe Depp was addicted to drugs or abusive towards Heard. However, under cross-examination, Dombrowski revealed that she was concerned about Depp's use of a prescription pain medicine. "I love him so much, but he needs assistance," Dombrowski stated in a text message to Heard, which wasn't court evidence. Following an alleged altercation in Australia, Dombrowski allegedly heard Heard tell Depp, "I'm afraid and I can't handle," as a way of coping with their poisonous relationship. Heard and Depp were bickering all the time, according to Dombrowski. Johnny Depp's abusive mother. When Johnny Depp was a youngster, his mother was abusive. Dombrowski and Depp both spoke about how their late mother, Betty Sue Palmer, had abused them as children. This might be one of the reasons why Johnny Depp chose to tolerate such abusive behavior from his wife for a very long time. The verbal abuse, the psychological assault, was almost worse than the beatings, Depp remembered. The thrashings were purely physical. You learn to cope with the bodily agony. You come to terms with it. You become accustomed to it. Palmer threw objects at him and his sister, including a phone, a high-heeled shoe, and an ashtray, as well as striking him in the head. His father was regarded as calm, mild-mannered, and nice by him. When Betty Sue, my mother, would go off on a tangent at my father, and of course it didn't matter to her in front of the kids, he explained. Amazingly, he stayed calm and never, even when she was rationing him with horrific things, stood there and just stared at her as she administered the agony, which he swallowed. He accepted it. And with that, we've come to the end of our video. Which revelation shocked you the most? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.